So now let's come to the second question here. Now that's really an interesting question and a very simple question if we can apply whatever they have given here. Okay, but a good question. I definitely rate it as a good question. See, what are the informations given here? They have given that let a1, a2, a3, ap are all possible factors of the positive integer, and they are all possible factors of positive integer and we are given that sum of all such factors when I goes from 1 to p is 75, and we have to find, I will like to know, of course you people should give your answers or send your answers with the help of comments in the comment box, so that see, I will really appreciate if you people are solving these questions and getting answers, bachcho. Okay, so that's really appreciable, and if you have some better idea to solve a question, I will appreciate that also. If you can suggest it to me and I can use it somewhere. Okay, so that will really be good for all of us, bachcho. Okay, anyway, so let's move ahead. So we have to find this value. See, my idea here was simple. I just multiplied and divided by n. So I divided by n, I kept it outside the summation. I goes from 1 to p and I multiplied, I took it inside the summation. Now ai is a factor of n, n is the number. So when n is divided by one factor, what will we get? We will get another factor. So in any case, n upon ai will be one of the factor of n. All of you agree? Say, for example, if I consider n to be 24 and I is 3, so 24 divided by 3, 8. 8 is another factor of 24. 24 ai is 12. 24 divided by 12, 2 is another factor of 24. So when a number is divided by one of its factors, you get another factor. So what does that mean? That means this is simply again nothing but sum of all the factors. All of you agree or not, bachcho? It is again sum of all the factors. So what do we get? So which is already given to us, 75. So according to me, the answer should be 75 by n. So a very simple question which doesn't involve any calculation but a bit of concept and a bit of trick. Of course I can say that's a trick which somehow struck my mind, that let's divide and multiply by n here. Okay, so that was the second question for the day, bachcho.